What's up, guys? So this is not going to be my typical stream. This is actually going to be a look at the Goon 1.5 versus the original Goon. You have to excuse me for a second, fighting my new phone stand. So this is something you guys had asked for, and I didn't think I would get to it this quick, but one of our customers, who's also one of the subscribers here, actually came in today, bought one of the Goon 1.5s, and told me that he would leave it with me so that I could do this right here with it. I appreciate that greatly, Nathan. And there are more differences than I thought, and after working with it, I really want the Goon 1.5 more now than I did ever. What's up, guys? First off, who all's in here? I see Sam. I see Zach. Who else is in here? Oh, so good. Such a good vape. What up, Cheyenne? So I'm going to talk about the differences between the two, because they are very similar, guys. And I'm not going to bring up as much of the stuff that makes them similar. I'm going to bring up more of the stuff that makes them different. One of the big things that makes them different is in here. And you guys are probably not going to be able to see that, but the inside of the top of the top cap is actually domed, which imparts better flavor with this one. The airflow is on the 1.5 is Cylon instead of the traditional circles that are on the first one. And you get more airflow, believe it or not. So you get more airflow and you get better flavor, which is awesome. Now the biggest difference other than that you're going to notice with this is in the build decks. The one, which is right here, is gold plated on the clamps, whereas on the 1.5 it's not. But it doesn't seem to, make a difference in how it hits. What's up, Tony? What's up, CP3? And as you guys probably guessed, the 1.5 still uses the Goon style or 810 drip tips. This one I'm actually rocking a half moon on. Again, Nathan had bought the drip tip for it, told me to use it in the review. And the half moon tips are great. They're what we carry. And you can actually get those if you're interested at mountainvapors.net. And then on this one, I've got one of the just the tip drip tips. Well, Tony, this one I can't say is mine. It's actually a customer of ours. They bought it, and actually before I even had a chance to sit down, told me that they were going to leave it for me to do my review on. So really cool. The Goon 1.5, the screws are a little bit different. The ones that come in it are still Phillips heads. The ones that the extras that come with it are actually going to be Allen key, and it comes with the Allen key to fit them. And they also are, the extras are actually knurled on top, so you can screw them down with your fingers and then tighten them up with the Allen key. The biggest difference, or the thing that makes the biggest difference to me, is the 1.5 comes with a bottom feeding pin. I'm a big fan of squonkers, and that, on top of the addition of the dome top cap giving you better flavor, to me makes this right here a real winner. And it's a clear-cut winner. It's definitely better than the Goon 1. To me, it's you know, not calling the Goon bad by any means, but everything that people had talked about, they would like to see on the Goon 1, it seems like they did with the 1.5. The decks are pretty much identical, except for no gold plating on the 1.5, which is fine. It doesn't make that big of a difference. They seem to have about the same depth on them, and but the flavor, like it's, and I'm rocking the same build in both of these. I'll go ahead and show you. They both have a single coil, 5-rat staggered fuse Clapton with 24 gauge cores and 38 or 36 gauge outers. So it's the build doesn't make a difference between these two. Yeah, I had actually noticed that and forgot to talk about it. The clamps on this one aren't beveled, so you do, but it just means you can't just slide your coils in. You have to pop them up a little bit and then put your coils in. But it's, I don't know, to me it just feels better. It vapes a little bit better. What's up, Squid? But it's, to me, the 1.5 is definitely the winner. It's definitely the better vape. CB3, I actually don't use any of the TFVs anymore. I used to use the TFV8 with the rebuildable section in it, but I've moved on to the Faro RTA. Guys, if you're interested in picking up a Goon, they're right around the $60 to $70 mark most places, and you definitely I would recommend either one of them. But if you got a chance to get the 1.5, get the 1.5. It's definitely the better of the two. Now, guys, as I said, this is not my normal stream where I'm going to come back here and sit and, do the Q&A. I just more or less wanted to get my review of the 1.5 and the comparison with the ones in while I had the chance. But I will probably be back on here. I'm not going to say for sure. I'll probably be back on here a little bit later today to actually do the normal Wednesday video, which is lucky for you guys. You get to see me twice. But at any rate, I would definitely say if you got the chance between the two of them, get the 1.5. If the one is all you can get, by all means get it. It is a great Addy. and I like it a lot. I use it every day. So, but guys, that's going to be it. Be thinking of questions you got for me later today, because like I said, I'm going to try to get back on here and do another one. But at any rate, peace. Let's get back to work, guys.